In a remarkable display of international collaboration and innovation, HGTECH played host to a distinguished delegation from the Czech Republic, offering them an insightful glimpse into the company's rich corporate culture and formidable product prowess. The visit left an indelible impression on the delegates, assuring them of the unwavering quality and reliability that HGTECH embodies. Laser technology, a pivotal cornerstone of HGTECH's expertise, was showcased in all its glory. The delegates were introduced to the versatile applications of lasers, ranging from precision cutting, intricate engraving, to robust welding capabilities. The potential of lasers in various industries, including sheet metal processing, fast-moving consumer goods packaging, and the automotive sector, was brought to life, underscoring their indispensable role in achieving diversity in applications. The Czech delegation, keen to explore the essence of HGTECH, embarked on a comprehensive tour of the HGTECH facilities, where they were introduced to the company's ethos of excellence and its commitment to cutting-edge technological advancements.